Today is garage sale day, so in case you're new to my channel, I moved out of my parents' house a couple years ago, but since Katie and I are just renting this apartment for right now, I still go over to my parents' house to film the video. So any video that you see where I'm working in a garage or working in a driveway, those videos are actually being shot at my parents' house. And then just over the years, I guess I've been kind of using their basement as a storage place for all of the spare parts that I take off the car. Those just end up down in the basement, so I figured I'd do my parents a big favor by clearing some of my stuff out of there. And since I know that many of you guys own E90s, I figured that I would make these spare parts available for you guys to see if there's anything that you want to buy. So the way that this is going to work is I have some small parts that will be for sale on eBay. I figured that's just the easiest way. I can do an auction, and then that way everybody has like an equal amount of time to look at the stuff. It's not going to be like first come first serve. Everybody will have an equal shot at it. And then I have two large items that I'll talk about later in the video. Those are going to be local pickup only, just because the value is so low relative to the shipping costs that it's just going to be better if I do local pickup for those here in Macomb County, Michigan. So let's get right into it. The first thing I have for sale is the original iDrive navigation screen that came with the car. So if you remember a few months ago, I did the video with installing the Apple TV in the car. That kit actually came with a new one of these screens, like a higher resolution one, so I no longer have a need for this. This will be for sale. And by the way, all the links for this stuff will be down in the description, the links for the eBay listings. Next, we have the original 6-speed shift knob and shift boot that came on the car. These are going to be sold as a set. They're going to be sold together. And the car only hit about 60,000 miles when I upgraded this stuff, so they're in really good condition. You know, the leather on here is really good. There's no like cracks or anything in that, so these are going to be for sale as well. One of the most recent modifications that you guys saw here on the channel was upgrading the taillights. So these are going to be sold as a complete set of 4, so you're going to get the 2 outer parts and the 2 inner parts. So yeah, these are for sale. These are the original halogen bulbs that would be for the angel eyes. I upgraded to the Lux LED angel eyes a long time ago, so I no longer need these. It's got like a little halogen light bulb in the housing, and then it's got these little glass pieces that would go in front of that. A couple months ago, I upgraded all of the front speakers in the car to the BeamerTech one, so I'm going to be selling the factory Logic 7 speakers that came on the car. So again, this is only for the front. This does not include the rear ones. So you're going to get 2 door speakers, 2 door tweeters. There's 1 speaker for the dashboard, and then the 2 underseat subwoofers. So these are going to be for sale as well. So that's it for all the smaller stuff that's going to be for sale on eBay. Again, the listings will be down in the description if you want to check those out. Also check out the t-shirts if you want to get one of those too. I'll leave a link for that as well. I really appreciate that. So as far as the larger items, I have the original front bumper for my car. If you remember last summer, I upgraded to the LCI M Sport, so I no longer need this old pre-LCI one. It's painted sapphire black, but I just want to let you know it's in really bad condition. The clear coat is starting to fail on the front. That's going to be kind of tough to fix. And the underside of the bumper is really scraped up. I think you're going to have a hard time putting the bolts in the bottom where the splash guard goes. So the only reason that you'd buy this is maybe if your car was in some kind of accident and you just need to put a new front bumper on. If your bumper already has cosmetic issues and you're looking for a nicer one than what you already have, this bumper is not that. So I'm going to show some video of the bumper just so you can kind of see what it looks like, the condition that it's in. But just be aware of that. I think I'm going to only ask $100 for this bumper, but I'm kind of flexible on the price. I just need to get rid of it. And then lastly, not a BMW part, but I'm selling the factory wheels from the FRS. Our original plan was to put snow tires on those and be able to drive the car in the winter, but we actually have a third car that we drive in the winter time when it's snowing, so we decided not to use those wheels after all. So those are going to be for sale. They are 17 by 7. The bolt pattern is 5x100, so they're going to fit on any Scion FRS, they're going to fit on any Subaru BRZ, and they'll fit on most Subaru models that use the 5x100 bolt pattern. Now the tires on them are pretty bad. they have really bad dry rot. So just consider this listing as if you were buying the wheels only. You will need to replace the tires pretty much immediately. So I think I'm going to ask $400 for these, but again, I'm kind of flexible on the price, just trying to get them out of the basement. So for either of these two larger items, the front bumper or the FRS wheels, just send me a direct message on Instagram. Let me know that you're interested. And again, Macomb County only. I'm not traveling anywhere with this stuff. I really don't want to ship either of these things. It's just going to be local pickup. That just makes it a lot easier for everyone. And again, the value of these things is low enough that it's just not worth shipping anywhere. So just send me a message if you want either the wheels or the bumper. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Good luck on the bidding on eBay, and I will see you guys in the next one.